In a bid to bring social distancing regulations defiers under control, Kisii County administration has set up a center where all culprits shall be held. The decision to establish an isolation center informed by reckless behavior exhibited by a number of locals. Area Governor James Ongwae, who officiated the launch, noted that hundreds of people entering in the region have so far been screened as the fight against COVID-19 intensifies.
We have also taken a supplementary budget since there is no county that knew that there was going to be COVID-19 in order to have resources available for that. But our supplementary budget as we speak is with the county assembly, and we hope that once it's passed, then we'll be able to have the necessary emergency funds that we need to move the process forward.
If there is anybody who has arrived, and particularly for the areas that have been declared by our minister as a hotspot, we want to know.
In the meantime, Coast Regional Commissioner John Elungata cautioned Old Town residents in the coastal city of Mombasa against flouting lockdown restrictions. Elungata rallied the locals to observe restriction of movement order that was imposed in the area to curb the spread of the virus.
Leo ni siku ya pili, tumefanikiwa kufanya nini? Ili ikifika 15 days, tusiongezewe. It is upon us kuhakikisha kwamba within 15 days, janga limetutoka, siku hizo zisiongezwe.
In Taita Taveta, County Governor Granton Samboja has named community policing and Nyumba Kumi as an alternative to resolve cases of neighboring Tanzanians getting into the country using illegal routes. Samboja noting that efforts to improve passenger inspections, including truck drivers at the border, will not bear fruits if strategies are not put in place to combat negative attitude that undermine the nation's effort to control the spread of the coronavirus.
Community policing ifanye kazi ili tujikinge zaidi. Ikiwa kuna mtu yote mwenye mnaona anatumia panya route, ikiwa kuna mtu yote mnamshuku kwamba huyu ni mgeni, maafisa wetu wote wako on alert.
And Saku Member of Parliament Dido Raso distributed food to needy families in Marsabit County who are grappling with effects of COVID-19 pandemic. The lawmaker called on the national government to increase funds meant to cushion Kenyans from adverse effects of COVID-19 disease. He said the number of people in need during this period of crisis is increasing, even as he noted that the current funds allocated to the counties remain insufficient.
Nimeona ya kweli iko needy cases ambaye mimi nauliza serikali yetu, tafadhali hiyo chakula tuongezewe. Sababu wale walikuwa wanapata hii msaada pengine walikuwa wachache. Sasa wengi wanahitaji hiyo msaada.
Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has in the meantime sustained his campaign to mobilize relief supplies to underprivileged Kenyans amid COVID-19 pandemic. Kalonzo lauded a number of frontline officers who have been easily accessible to offer the much-needed help to Kenyans as the war against the invisible COVID-19 continues.
Being an assistant chief, you would have expected her to be seen all over a sub-location, carrying that stick and pointing it at people and telling them, thou shalt keep social distance, thou shalt wash your hands. But she chose to lead by example. When I saw her on a finger sewing machine, actually sewing the mask, and I think she's wearing it, and you can see it's very good quality mask.
Beatrice Getonyingetich, Channel 1 News.